You know it's a good day when you got some lowering springs and a 350. Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperProductions here with another video. And we're gonna get started on the spring install. Well, Tony's gonna be joining me today. You know, Ice Garage episode number 3. I'm getting ready to get this car low because I hate how it looks like a monster truck. And I kind of already got started on it, but hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys so you can do this on your 350Z. Because I know you guys asked for it. Nah, I'm kidding. But it's fucking awkward because I'm at my girlfriend's parents' house. And I bet you they can hear me fucking talking to myself over here in the garage. Probably think I'm a weird ass nigga, but who cares? Anyways. So yeah. I'm gonna get it started. This is all about what we're gonna do today. We actually have like a really exciting day today. Me and the SvperDvper crew are gonna go shoot a video for some dude. It's our first little like I guess side thing. Getting paid for it, so that's gonna be pretty cool. But yeah, let's get started on the video. Alright guys, so obviously the first step was take off the wheel. Now to take this spring off in the rear, gotta take this bolt out and then none in the back. And that's really much about it on the back. Now I've never taken this off, so might be a bit. Not sure. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit. Sorry, it's really loud. I would recommend putting a jack underneath and then jacking it up so it doesn't put that much stress on it. Just so you can just pull it out. There you go. You're most likely gonna need a second jack to help you out. I would recommend it because to put that back on is probably gonna be a bitch. So yeah. And then you take it off and put the new spring. Alright, so what you do to fucking take it out, you pull on this with your foot and you pull it out. Push on it real good with your feet. Look at the difference between the freaking spring. Oh my god, I can't wait. This shit's about to be hella low. Alright, so you saw you just pull on that with your foot, you pull it out, and you just swap over these rubber things. If not, it's gonna be real squeaky. So yeah. Alright, so you just put this spring in now. Make sure the manzo sign is facing forward. Make sure you put it in the right slot over here at the bottom. You pull down on this again. Put it up there. Angles, bruh. Hey, look who decided to arrive. Cue the fucking music.
What music?
I'm listening to the music right now, bruh.
Love it?
Oh shit, the lighting's so bad. I have to look at you this way. Oh, cue the music now. Yeah, you smile every time, bruh. Alright, we got SvperDvperTony here. Come help out.
Make sure we don't break anything this time.
Nigga still dressed like he going to work. Hey, we ain't sponsored though.
Hey, sponsor me though.
Sponsor me, Ready Jet. Alright then, let's keep going with this shit. You and those niggas showed up late.
Oh, I was eating.
Fuck you. You see. It doesn't show in video though. Alright, so we're back. Alright, so you just jack it up, put this bolt in, make sure everything lines up good. Make sure you put those rubbers back on, if not, it's gonna squeak like a bitch. It's all like Tony's car.
What the fuck?
I'm just kidding. So yeah, no, just everything reversed. Put everything back together. I'm not gonna show you the other side. It's the same shit. Then you just torque to spec. You hear that click? That's my torque crank. Alright, this side's done. You need to put the wheel back on and call it a day. Lower this down now. And you're low. Goodbye, bitch.
Oh yeah, well I should charge it for my intake manifold.
Manifold? That wasn't me, pussy. Fuck you. Nigga, we didn't charge you. So there you go.
You guys charge me pizza. And fucking breadsticks.
A $5 pizza, you
and breadsticks.
Oh, dude. Swear. You're the cheapest nigga I know. Fuck. That's all we asked. We're like, hey, we'll fucking do this big ass job on your car if you just buy.
Nah, bro, I was helping you guys too. I was like, I didn't need you guys' help. I just needed a garage.
Yeah, my garage, pussy. Mine.
Oh yeah?
I didn't see your name anywhere in my garage. Dude, Trippy's new album? Y'all gotta go listen to that shit. Hey, if Trippy, you're watching this,
sponsor us. 1400
us and
1400 800
so I can get rid of a 350 and get a fucking, I don't know, DCR.
Comment 1400 800 under the comments.
Alright, so all you gotta do to take off the rears is take this bolt out, nut, push this down, and then get a jack, and lower it down slowly, and then get a jack to put it all back in. And make sure you put these rubbers back on. Just give me a little crash course real quick. But make sure you put these rubbers, not even be squeaking. Alright, that's it for the bag. We're already gonna show you. I just wanted to give you the little rundown. I'm not even gonna show you this side. I'm just gonna show you when it's low though.
Alright, we're back, guys. This is for the rear. Isaac's about to lower it right now. We're about to see how low this thing got.
Want to show?
Yeah, sure. Oh, yup.
Yeah, oh, it's got camber too. Oh shit, nigga.
Hey, camber or what?
It's a little camber now. Dude, there's like no wheel gap. And it's gonna settle tomorrow, it's gonna be lower.
Bro, this is just right now. It's not even settled in yet. Like, she's pretty tight.
She's really tight. Look, that's how the front and back are the same. That's how it used to be.
Bro, this is before. We haven't done these ones yet, but look at that big difference. Alright, so now we're gonna start the front. Alright, so this is the before. It's like this much. Like 3 fingers. Okay, so what we just did right now is we took off this screw right here. Where's the screw at?
The nut.
The nut.
And you just bang it out with the hammer. You jack it up just so it doesn't put a lot of stress on the suspension. And you just hit it with the hammer until it comes out. It's gonna be bitch.
Alright, updating you guys on lowering springs. So we took this out. There's 2 screws right here. No, right here. One right here. And one right here that you guys have to untighten. And then you guys have to untighten this
Yeah, it's an end link. Sway bar end link.
Sway bar end link. And then after that, you hit the shock with a hammer and pull it forward. Pull it forward so it ends up right here, and then it should be easy to take off. Well, obviously you have to take off the 3 bolts from right here, but you guys sure already know that. And yeah, so
It honestly sucks.
it's finally out.
Now you gotta compress it.
Got compress this OEM spring, put in a new spring, which is right over there. Put it back in, and then it should be from there. Alright, so these are the spring compressors. It's what helps compress the spring, so it'll be easier to take out.
Yeah, I wouldn't take them off without screwdrivers, compressors, because you might injure yourself.
Ain't trying to break your face.
Hey, remember disclaimer, we're not professionals. Do this at your own risk.
As you can see, we have no glasses.
No, half a glove.
Half a glove. Bro, my glove, I literally have my middle finger exposed.
Sure do.
Alright, so after the springs are compressed, go ahead and take out this nut.
Yeah, pro tip. I loosened this. This is the first thing I did before I even jacked up any of my car. I loosened this nut. Like, because it had all the load of the vehicle on it. Because if not, you're going to sit there and take forever to take this shit out.
So that's off. Then the top of the...
Come on, bitch. What the fuck?
The rubber.
It's loose. Oh, okay. Guess we'll do it like that. Yeah, they're a little used. Well, YouTube check ain't coming in, so I ain't changing these bitches.
Bro. Oh yeah, they're done. They're done, bro.
Hey, the still ride's nice, bitch.
Battery exhausted.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, sorry about that, guys. The battery died. But we back.
Alright. So I got some Manzo ones. I don't even know if I told them that. I didn't think I did. Some Manzo. Make sure the label's up. Make sure you line it up here at the bottom. Right here with this groove. Make sure you line it up right there. Because if not, honestly, don't know what happens. But I feel like something will happen. Alright, so you guys know what to do. We took it out. I'm pretty sure we left off on that. What you guys should do is put this bottom bolt on first. That's the first one you put on when you're putting it back together. Put this bottom one on first. And then you put these ones. These two. And then also, then after you put those, then you put these top 3 over here. Because if you don't do it like that, you'll run into issues and you have to retake it apart. Like I did. Took it apart like 3 different times to figure it out. But since I figured it out, you guys don't have to. So watch the whole video and don't just skip through it. I hate when people do that. So yeah. And then the final one, you connect this end link. And remember, use a jack to help you. Another jack to help you out. That's what you have to do to be low, I guess. Featuring Leticia. Don't touch your camera with your nasty ass hands.
My nasty? Look at yours.
I'm not touching the lens though. Fuck, what you want? What you want?
Just give us a hi. Okay, relax. Wow.
You gonna say hi or you gonna help?
I asked if you wanted help and you said no.
Nah, she fucking lying, bro. Fly again. See here, I'll wait.
I asked if you needed help and you said no.
Oh fuck no, you didn't. Alright. Well, let's get to it, I guess. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this to get low? Oh yes. Look at that. Oh yes. Woo! She's a hella low now. Fucking love it. Look at that. There's like barely any gap now. The front's a little higher, but the back though. Back's sitting pretty. You got a little camber, that natural camber when you lower things. Alright guys, well that's it with the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. So I'm trying to get the YouTube check because I'm going broke on these car parts. Alright guys, I'll see you around.